Today, I'll walk you through how to attach files to an event in Google Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add important documents to your events so you can keep everything organized and accessible. Let's get started. First, navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your browser. This is your central hub for managing all your events and appointments, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Calendar, locate and click on your existing event. This will open up the event details, allowing you to modify any information as needed. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now look for the pen icon on the event details page. This icon allows you to edit the event. Think of it as the key to unlocking the details of your scheduled meeting. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to find the Drive folder icon. This is where you can attach files from your Google Drive. Clicking on this icon will open a new window, giving you access to all your stored documents. Now it's time to upload your required files. You can either select existing files from your Google Drive or upload new ones directly from your computer. This step is crucial as it allows you to share relevant information with your event attendees, making your meetings more productive. After you've selected the files, click on the Insert button. This action will attach the files to your event, ensuring everyone has access to the necessary documents. Finally, don't forget to click Save to save your changes. This step is essential to ensure that all your modifications, including the attached files, are preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully attached files to your event in Google Calendar. This simple process can greatly enhance your event planning and collaboration efforts. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.